Good evening. Kaustav, Mayonnaise M, Jacob Raj. Welcome to the live. This is just to wish you all a happy weekend. Hi. Vijay Kumar, Praveen Nair. Hi, good evening. I'm doing well. Thank you very much. How are you doing? Hey, Adarsh, good evening. Dilip Dhangar, Jairam Ji ki. Prashant, good evening. Fox Ramanan, thank you. Rahul Sakre, hi. Dipluk Kamorkar, hi. Balaj Bala, hi. How are you doing? It's my frame. It's my frame. It's just one of me, but it's my frame. Wait, I'll make it a little. Yeah, now there are snowflakes. Okay. Hi, Chimi. Anuj Kumar. Okay. Guys, 1 minute. Let me just. Yeah. This is good. It's a normal filter. So, how is everyone doing? How is your weekend? What plans for Saturday, Sunday? How is it in your cities? Telugu. మీకు తెలుగు కావాలి సరే నేను ట్రై చేస్తాను కానీ నో మా తెలుగు ఇస్ నాట్ గుడ్ You saw me at Aranman night was song shooting. Wow. That was a while back. Even I'm waiting. I shall be back soon. I'm really missing the movies and shooting. And hopefully everything gets set to normal and, we can all go back to making the same number of movies. I hope the theaters reopen. So much has to happen. Vijay Deverakonda fans. Hi. So you guys are called rowdies, right? You're not fans really. That's what I heard. Is that true? Prabhakaran, hi. Sadhu Shakti, hi. Hey David, still Friday in the US? Okay. It's still Friday in India too. Saturday, Sunday's tomorrow. Thank you so much. My clothes are short. Yeah, I mean, I wear short clothes. I wear long clothes also. Just depends on my mood actually. With Vijay Talapati. Soon, soon. You want to spend with me? What? Time, okay. Rajkumar, hi. Speak in Tamil. எப்படி இருக்கீங்க எல்லாருக்கும் வணக்கம் சாப்பிட்டாச்சா But you guys are not telling me. Malayalam ariyo, korchu korchu ariyo. Manoj Kishan, thank you so much. Yeah, I will come back soon. I mean, I didn't go anywhere. There was just a gap. Partly because there was a gap. Partly because of last year's lockdown. There was a gap anyways. But yeah, I will start acting very soon. I will update about all my projects on the FB page. Thank you, Bhavesh. That's true, right? Rowdies? Rowdy boys and rowdy girls, just rowdies. So much love to you, rowdies. Thank you so much for your good wishes. Do I know Tamil? I do know. I've just not been in practice. When I land in Chennai, within 3 days I start speaking. When I come back to Bombay, I forget. That's the truth. Actually, I do know. Telugulo ఏం చెప్పాలి మీరు ఇలా ఏం చేస్తున్నారు What are you guys doing? Have you had your chai coffee? What plans for tomorrow? Outside view from my window, Rajshekhar, see. Let me show it to you. It's a beautiful sunset. I don't have the sun, but That's my view. That's me with the view. Nice, no? It's not raining. It's not raining. It was raining last 2 or 3 days. It stopped since today. Don't faint, man, please. Yasin, we're all from India. You're a little outnumbered. We're all from here. But much love to you. Thank you, Alugu. It's not an effort. Actually, it's really nice meeting up with you guys. It's so good interacting with you. Trying to find out more about you, your lives. I mean, it's great. And okay, actually, tell me, each one of you, just tell me, where are you from? I just want to get to know better. That which parts of the country do follow the page I am on, and thank you so much. Yeah, Manikam, thank you. James Blackow, thank you. Wow. Without makeup, it's better. So you guys think I should act in movies without makeup? I don't mind actually. It's a lot of work. Takes time, and I don't enjoy it so much. Honestly, if I might just go without makeup. Now that I have your validation, it'll also save the producer a lot, because I won't be needing a makeup guy then. Tamil boys ko whistle podunga. I don't know. Whistle, just. That's it. Is that fine? I hope that works for you. So where are you from? Tell me your native place. Where are you guys messaging me from? Which part of the country or world? Ravi Kumar, you're from Tamil Nadu. You like Tanavattu. All right. So we have somebody from Tamil Nadu. What else? I'm from Mumbai. We had one follower from Pakistan. Yesterday we had 2 from Afghanistan, from Uttaranchal, from Northeast, from Assam. Bangladesh. Wow, okay. Currently living in Chennai. Watching live for time pass. Yeah, I came also on live for time pass only. I'm also doing time pass. So that makes the 2 of us. You say to your wife, she doesn't get pissed with you or hit you. Very chill wife she is. Go give her a kiss. If she listens patiently. You're from Afghanistan. Wow. You're from Telangana. Banodu Madhu. Great. I'm in Mumbai last few days. I was in Pune for a few days before that. And Chandra Bose from Chennai. Okay, fine. I'll come in a sari the next time. Maybe. My smile is quiet. Thank you, Abdur. Thank you, Nihas. Jim Basha, thank you. Homely look in Tamil, okay? Thank you so much, Tiaga. From Malaysia, wow. So now this has gone international. Bagunnara, Tintava, Ela unnaru. Okay? Those were 3 words, 4 words. Telugu, I'm not so sure. I'll be having a couple of Tamil movies lined up and I'll announce them this month. Telugu, much as I love the industry, I don't have any announcements to make on the movie front for now. But thank you so much for the love. It overwhelms me every single time. Every single time. Thank you so much, guys. So, what weekend plans? Jack Miller, there you are. Alex, okay. Hi, Alex. Hi, Suhan. Jammu and Kashmir, wow. You're stuck in Panvel. You're driving to Bombay. Thank you so much, man. First time you've seen live, you've only seen photos before. You thought they were factory made. Thank you so much. In the front, they don't look nice in the front. See, it's messy. It's very messy. Yeah, I think it helps me. Past time. Okay, Shiva. Point noted. I'll do something in that direction. Chevy tomorrow. Okay. Okay, Gaurav, you go eat food. You're from Nepal, but watching from South Korea. You're in South Korea. What's that like? Wow. Andhra Pradesh, okay. 5:45 am. Okay. See you, Shameen. Nice meeting you. Bollywood actresses are too much makeup. No, yeah, don't say that. They look beautiful. How do I look younger? Thank you so much, guys. You're the best. You're so sweet. I do a lot of yoga. I do pranayam and I do Surya Namaskar. Mainly these two things. I try and do it every day. It doesn't happen every day, but I mainly do yoga. I think that's the only reason. And I eat everything. I mean, sometimes I successfully continue staying lean. Sometimes I put on weight. That keeps happening. But I eat everything and do a lot of yoga. That's the only thing I can think of. Nothing else very special. Tamil films very soon. Thank you, Shakil. Hi, Roxy Danny. Narendra. Why should I put my hair in the front? It is the best. Yoga is the best. Anyone who's thinking of yoga, guys, please give it a try. Give it at least 3 months. It may be a little slow compared to gym or aerobics or whatever, but it's much longer lasting and it also makes you happier, which is so important. Whether you are thin, you're fat, you look young, old, doesn't matter. It's also most important to be happy. And for that reason, I think all of you should please just give yoga a try. Give it a chance. You either get a teacher, go for a class, do it from YouTube, do it from a book, it doesn't matter. But it only when you experience it, you can understand what I'm trying to tell you. Ashok Patiyal from China border. Wow. Thank you so much. Thank you. Much love to you. Saurav Biswas. Much love to you. Mandeep, Salim, Joshua, Dominic, Vishal Thapa. Hi, man. So much love to all of you. So much love. Thank you. Satyarevu. బాగున్నారా ఎలా ఉన్నారు Shiv Kumar, thank you. Muhammad Ali, thank you. Wazir bhai, thank you. James Blackwell, thank you so much, man. Oh, I love Pondicherry. I love Pondicherry. I've come there 4 or 5 times. I can't wait to come again. I mean, it's a place I love not just for when I come for shooting. I think it's a great place to holiday also. Are you from Pondicherry? Whoever asked me that. So sweet, guys. So sweet. Single heroine role in Tamil. Okay. I don't think it matters if you like the character and the team, but I'll keep that in mind. I'll try and do that. Hi, Diana. Hi, Naresh. சாப்பிட்டீங்களா நரேஷ் எப்படி இருக்கீங்க எல்லா சௌக்கியமா thank you guys. Okay. Okay, guys, I'll be taking leave. My battery is going to go off anytime. My phone needs to charge. But it was so good seeing all of you. Thank you so much for your wishes. You guys are the best. You guys are the best. God bless each one of you. I wish and hope and pray you have an amazing weekend and you have an amazing month of October. I hope you have an amazing month. I hope you guys get lots of good news and happiness and stuff going on for you. And I shall come again live soon. I shall interact with you a lot more. This was very uplifting for me. I hope you guys had a good time. See you soon. Bye bye. Bye bye. Take care, guys. Bye. Please take care. Have an amazing weekend. Have an amazing month ahead. Ajit, much love to you. Much love to you. Okay, guys. Bye bye.